see my scribbling robot how it scribbles.
For making Scribble Robot, we need sketch pen, paper roll, robotic face, glue stick, rubber band, and double-sided tape. Now it's time to add the legs to our artboard. For this, we need a rubber band. We will clip the legs evenly around the ball using a tape or rubber band. Make sure legs are sturdy. Let's add a robotic face to our artboard. Now it's time to mount the motor inside our robot. For this we need AA battery with a battery holder switch, red wire, vibrating motor. Take the red wire from the battery holder and twist it around one of the terminals. Attach short red wire to the middle terminal of the switch. Now twist the other end of the red wire to the motor. Now take a black wire from the battery holder and twist it around one of the terminals of the motor. This is how the completed wiring looks like. Cover the motor terminal with a black tape. Now we will stick AA battery inside the artboard with the help of double-sided tape. And we will stick our motor over the AA battery with the help of double-sided tape.